Behind us here we have the contractor for the foundation installation package. Once we're at site, we'll jack this vessel up in location and raise the deck above the sea surface. From there, we're going to actually drill into the ocean floor to approximately 14 meters depth, where we'll actually then insert a steel foundation. The foundation is approximately 14 meters long and about 1.8 meters diameter.
So the operations we got going on today is our pipeline lay. So we've got all the pipe reels on the barge. They're slowly getting laid into the water as the barge moves out to our lease area.
Yeah, one is the installation of the intake bore for the destination plant. As you see, the drilling rig on the very behind. And here you can see that we basically prepare already the pad for the sidewalks, and these guys here are preparing the conduit for the PWEP pipeline.
They took a while to build. They were, I think, 6 months in construction in Vietnam, and yeah, a bit of a hassle shipping something that big, so it was a bit of a relief to get them here and to get them set up, and yeah, now they sit and get ready to get deployed.
The onshore plant is largely generating electricity from hydraulic energy, which is produced by our CETO wave energy converters. The process control system is automating that generation. It's also collecting data to control that process.
So under the instrumentation package, it's putting together all the sensors in the buoyant actuator. So that's including the pressure sensors, the GPS, the 3G modules and the antennas that are communicating with the onshore plant. And yeah, various cabling involved in connecting all the bits and pieces together.
So the test that's happening today is the ballasting test of the BA. So it's sort of one of the major components of the Carnegie Wave sort of energy system. And so we're flooding the BA and then fully submerging it, pumping air back into it and refloating it basically.
I'm looking after the tether package. So the tether is composed of a rope and two connectors, one which connects the rope with the BA, the float, the big float, and one which connects the rope with the pump on the other side. We recently completed the pump assembly test. The pump assembly itself is composed of the hydraulic cylinder and what we call the foundation connector. And so organizing these tests involve obviously interacting with all the package manager which are responsible for all these components, but also organizing what the equipment you're going to need on site to perform those tests.
The pod is a hydraulic piece of equipment that sits adjacent to each CETO unit. It provides a number of functions, hydraulic functions, and also scientific functions for the CETO system. And today here it's being tested mainly to check the communication between the pod electronics and the onshore power plant electronics.
We've had a fairly extensive process behind getting this unit assembled. So starting from the bottom up, you can see our subsea stab connector. The connector is then attached to our attachment, which is then connected to our pump. The large cylindrical item you can see there is our pump float, and just beyond the pump float we have the tether that's connected to our BA, so our buoyant actuator. So now that the unit is fully complete, we can prepare it for deployment. To do this, we need to lift the pump assembly stand up, to bring the trailer in. We then lift the pump assembly stand and the buoyant actuator as one complete unit, and we take it over to the ship lift for final deployment.